So next up, guys, got a good running skid loader coming from a good company over here in Dubuque. So this is a Case 1845C skid loader, guys. I'll go around and give you a nice 360-degree view, but starts up, runs good, real low hour. I think he said right around 1,700 hours on this one, guys. You have the manual quick attach, got a Cummins diesel motor. Starts up, runs, operates, got solid tires. Doesn't have heat or AC, but you do have glass windows on either side just to keep the wind off you and everything like that. So you do have a couple auxiliary hydraulic lines to hook up to up front. So I'm here with Dale. He'll fire it up. He'll give you a nice demo. Fires up the jaw there, guys. Does have a bolt-on edge. Good strong hydraulics there, guys. Back drag there for you. Strong hydraulics, runs nice and smooth, guys. So there's the demo, guys, on the Case 1845C skid loader. Good luck, guys, at Auction Time at Old 20 Auctions. Good company, Dubuque. They do regular service, maintenance, everything like that. So it should be ready to go. Good luck, guys.